long time that we didn't see each other. So now let's go. I will teach you on how to pin your post in Facebook in your own account in your timeline. And like for example, do you want to pin your post like your sponsorship, or do you want something that do you want your post uh, you want to be on the top of your timeline? So first, we'll go to your Facebook timeline. So now we're here. This is my timeline. So I'm just giving you as my example. Okay, like this. For example, this is all my posts. And then I want to pin my post like this. Rita. No, not this. Oh, where's my post? Okay. Okay, I do an example. Hold an example. This is only an example. Okay. This is I want to pin. So I'll do this. I click these three dots here on the top right side. Click that one, and then you see pin post. So click pin. Ayan. So we're here now. It's already pin. So that's it, guys. So if you learn from me, don't forget to like and comment down and subscribe to my channel, so you're always updated on my next teaching. Okay, bye.